This is Sorako 44 pieces screwdriver set. Here are 4 slotted screwdrivers, which are SL. Here are 4 phillips screwdrivers. The code is PH. There are 8 precision screwdrivers with slotted screwdrivers, phillips screwdrivers, and torx screwdrivers. And this is the extension rod, which is used to connect with the bits. It is magnetic. Here are some socket wrenches, which are also connected with the extension rod to use. SL is slotted screwdrivers. The black oxide coating prevents rust. There are different specifications to choose. PH is phillips screwdriver. How to use a magnetizer. When your screwdrivers can no longer pick up screws, which can easily be magnetized in the magnetizer. Let's check how to use it for daily projects. The precision screwdrivers are perfect to assemble the computer or something like this. Thank you for this.